Alright everybody, welcome to MKSabers. This is a reveal video from Matt. Your saber's complete. Wanted to get this out there just after Christmas. Wanted to take you through all the instructions and features of your lightsaber. So for those of you who are also watching, this is a Roman's Graflex replica in a TFA Force Awakens setup. It also has a Proffie V2.2 soundboard in it with a Goth Master chassis and all the fixings that you would have. So let's kind of go over the exterior of the hilt first. So this is, like I say, Roman's Graflex chassis in the TFA setup. It does have my upgrades, which I put in rivets on the bottom. It usually comes with screws. I put in rivets, and I put a hidden sound hole underneath the D-ring. I also make sure that all the rivets are actually open, and so this creates a really nice resonance chamber for the saber. Matt, you actually asked for an extra screw for blade retention, so you'll get an extra screw if you want to use this top screw for blade retention as well. But the glass eye also serves as blade retention. This is going to be your...
on a test by for ignition. Out, flash.
Looks like I have it on already.
Slash.
With the test font.
In. Post off. Well, that was fun. Bespin.
Now to the Bespin font. So, I actually pressed the button. Saber is on, obviously. This is going to be your activation, and this is going to be your aux switch. So, activation, and it's a see-through glass eye, accurate blade plug, smooth swing, flash on clash, blaster block. As you can hear, it's extremely loud. And I've got about, I want to say about 15 or so blade styles on there, including the test font. We have
Young Ray.
and we'll get into some other features. So to take apart the Graflex, and if you notice, to change fonts, sorry I'm kind of going all over the place, you just tap the aux button,
Smooth Jedi.
and it goes to the next font. Activation, blaster block. Once it's activated, you can also start the music by holding down the activation for 2 seconds, and it will start music. This is all in the wiki page on the Proffie website. So to take this apart, you're going to unloosen the Graflex clamp, rotate, and slowly pull apart, and that is where you get your Graflex reveal. And this is the crystal that you chose. I've got it kind of in a pulsing mode here, which is kind of cool for some of the fonts. Underneath the recharge door, this will reboot the saber once I pull out the kill key. There's a kill key recharge port underneath the recharge door. Bluetooth is underneath this door. So in order to update the Proffie or do anything else, you fully remove the chassis, and we'll go over that next. So to charge, you'll get your charger with it as well. Just plug it in there. It will turn off the saber. You can't charge and run the saber at the same time. It's a little protection mechanism in there. I'm going to put the kill key back in. Kill key is a rotating kill key, so you can have it off, and then if you rotate it, it'll actually turn on, and then you can close the door. So just a beautiful saber. You've got the white accent on the top, green on the bottom, and RGB crystal chamber. To take, it is a fully removable chassis. So to take it out, what I do is I unscrew this master, the activation switch, just about 1.5 turns. You don't have to take it all the way out because the switch will interfere. So 1.5 turns, loosen that up, fully remove the glass eye because it holds in the chassis. You'll see that there. Fully remove the glass eye, and then the entire chassis slides out. And so it is a fully removable chassis. And to get access to the soundboard, it is right there underneath. and you can open up. I already gave you a link for the Bluetooth USB cable you'll need. There's the Bluetooth receiver, transmitter receiver, and that's where you're going to plug in to get to updating the Proffie, as well as the SD cards down there. I do have it set up for mass storage, so technically you can do everything through the USB cable. You won't have to do anything through the actual SD card. Putting back together is just opposite of taking it apart. I'm going to take the blade plug out, so because we can put the blade in. You line up the glass eye retention with the glass eye hole. Go in nice and slowly to line everything up. And once it's all lined up, everything should be in there. Retighten the activation button. Re-put in the glass eye, and it is back together. And there you go. I'm going to put in the blade off camera here so that I don't break anything. Trying to do camera moves and everything all together with one hand is difficult. And what we'll do is we'll go over some of the features here of the Saber, and I have it there because you also have Bluetooth. So I'm going to show you. You can download the ForceSync app for free. It's free on the Play Store, and I think there's an Android version coming out. And I already have this one hooked up to your Saber. Give voltage. You can change the sound volume, presets, things of that nature. But you can turn it on, turn it off. I think we're in the Bespin font. Actually, I don't think so.
It's the Bespin.
Yes, we are in the Bespin font. So it's got your custom song. And it's loud as all heck. I'll stop it there. But it has all the features of FET blade style. You got clash, lockup, and that lockup will move up and down the blade. Drag effect on the tip, blaster, force, and like I said, you can change the volume. I'll turn off the volume here. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but you can make it louder, softer. It does have color change, so let me actually do a color change for you. Color change, enter color change mode. Again, this is all in the Proffie instructions. It's an aux activation, or is it activation aux? We'll find out here.
Config mode.
Yeah, so aux activation, and you'll hear it going to config mode. And what I can do is I can change the blade color here. You'll see it on the floor, usually a little bit better. Green, yellow, pink, blue. Going to lime, back to green. So if you really wanted it green, you just hit the activation, and it puts it in. And I have it to where the crystal and the blade will go the same, so you see that there's a little bit of green, the yellowish green in that crystal as well. So those are all the features of your Saber. It's a great Saber. Like I said in some of our chats. The color change will reset, so if I reset the system, I just hit the reset button on Bluetooth, and I repower it back up. It's the same Bespin font. You'll see that it's back in blue. All right. So I hope you enjoy your lightsaber. Thank you for choosing MKSabers. It's a beautiful saber, bronze, 18 karat gold chassis, holding that crystal in. Custom fonts and sounds per your specification. And Matt, Merry Christmas, and may the Force be with you.